Being a UX UI professional means a lot because it's all about research. It's all about always questioning things and always researching before you design something to be actually sure how to make it usable and useful to others. The first time I heard about UX UI, it was when I took a course in university called Human-Computer Interaction. And it gave a word and a definition to what I always thought about, that would be questioning something and finding and researching a way to build something and design something. This course is the bigger umbrella and image for UX UI, and it gives you the full definition of connecting the interaction between humans and computers. As you all know, UX UI might be intriguing because not a lot of people understand it, and it's an amazing space and an amazing, let's say, specialty. And overall, it's amazing and let's say wow. But a special thing about it would be that you have to understand that you have to always question things and that you're always wrong and there is always a better answer. The UX UI space in Jordan, it's still not fully emerged and discovered, as the IT industry is still somewhat new. The UX industry and space in Jordan, it's still brewing in Jordan. It goes back to two, 3 years ago. So we can say it's flourishing and we're discovering more and people are understanding more what we do, but we still have a lot ahead of us and the path leading to its full image.